sometimes when I see other people cleaning, it inspires me to also do some cleaning. For today's video, I thought it would be a fun idea if I brought you along to clean with me. When you have a clean space, you have a clean mind, and my mind is very foggy right now and it reflects in my environment. So I would love to tidy up, get everything spick and span so that I can have clear thoughts and creative juices will flow from that. It's not a good day to be cleaning. It's quite cold and rainy and winter has hit South Africa. Woo! Love that for me. Anyway, let's just get into it. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my desk area. If you're wondering why I have all of my toiletries over there in a box and I have those shoe boxes over there and I have all of my things just everywhere, it's because I don't have real storage. I don't have any sort of drawer or cupboard in my room, but hopefully there'll be a later Building with the Benjamins episode where you'll see me creating some sort of storage system in my room. But for now, this is what I have to work with. Okay, don't judge me. Thanks. my plants. My plants. Oh no.
Um, 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 um,
been speaking to you directly this whole video because it's just been montages of me cleaning. But anyway, I thought it was worth coming on here and telling you about this amazing hack that saved my life and also saved me so much time and energy. So if you have ever had trouble putting a duvet inside a duvet cover, then keep on watching because this is the hack for you. Actually, I don't know if this is a real hack. People have probably just been doing this for years, but this is how I taught myself how to put a duvet inside a duvet cover. So yeah, I'll just demonstrate that for you now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you take your duvet cover inside out. Okay, so you take the duvet cover inside out and you're gonna look for, so a duvet cover has 4 corners because it's a rectangular shape. So you're gonna look for the corners that are sewn closed, so the inside corners. So you know the duvet cover it's sewn closed all along 3 sides, and then on the one side there's like an opening for the duvet inner to go inside, and then you close it with these clasps. Now you're gonna take the corners that are on the opposite side of that. So here we are, we have our 2 corners, right? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the 2 corners, so you do like crab hands. So this is my index finger and my thumb is over here. Index finger, thumb, crab hands. Okay, then you're gonna take one corner of your duvet inner, match it up to the corner that you are holding and hold it tightly. Then you take the adjacent corner with the other corner that you're holding your crab hand. Then what you're gonna do is now you have this corner matched with this duvet inner corner, and this duvet cover corner matched with this duvet inner corner. Now what you're gonna do is you bring your hands in and you flip. Okay, I'll demonstrate that again. I don't know if you can see. Look, so you bring your hands in and you flip the rest of the sheet over, so now it is the right side out. Okay, and then all you have to do is shimmy the fabric down, and it should just cover the rest of the duvet inner. And then what you can do is you put it down, then you can just match the leftover corners. So you can match the leftover duvet inner corner with the duvet cover, and then you can match the other side with that corner. I mean, by now it should just be, like the steps just follow on after each other in logical sense order. Logical order. And then ta-da! You have your sheet in the thing. Then all you have to do is the side with the clasps, you close them. I'm sure you know what to do by now. Okay, and there we have it. I'm just gonna carry on cleaning my room now. I hope that hack helps you. Let me know if it does in the comment section down below. watching this video. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me. I honestly just feel so much better. Everything is neat and tidy and clean. I feel like I can breathe again. Please let me know down in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video and if you felt inspired to get cleaning yourself. And as always, I'm sending you all of my love and my light.